Aloha Kauai. This is your County of Kauai briefing for Thursday, June 9th. I'm Managing Director Mike DeHelig. Kauai's COVID case count went down slightly over the past week. The 7-day average is now 65 cases a day, down from 71 cases a day last week. That doesn't include home tests, so the actual number is higher. The test positivity rate remains just above 25%, so 1 out of every 4 people who came in to get tested on Kauai last week tested positive. Statewide, the count went down slightly as well, from over 1,200 a day to down to about 1,100 a day last week. We continue to see high case counts in our long-term care facilities and have several workplace clusters. Please do not go to work while sick. In order to prevent clusters in your workplace, we recommend implementing masking and distancing for your employees. Unfortunately, we have another fatality to announce in a female resident in her 90s who was not hospitalized. If you have been exposed to someone who tested positive for COVID, please get tested immediately. If you test negative, test again 3 to 5 days later, even if you are not showing any symptoms. Please note that our Convention Hall Testing Center and mobile testing van will be closed Friday, June 10th for the King Kamehameha Day state holiday. The free mobile testing van will reopen on Saturday, June 11th at the Hanalei Neighborhood Center from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and Sunday, June 12th from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. at the Brian J. Baptiste Sports Complex in Kapaa. The free Convention Hall Testing Center will reopen to normal hours on Monday, June 13th. If you have cold-like symptoms but test negative for COVID, we still ask that you please remain home as you may have the flu, a bad cold, or may be developing COVID-19. There are also approved prescription COVID-19 treatments. They need to be taken within a few days of testing positive in order to be effective. If you or a loved one test positive and might be vulnerable, please contact your doctor as soon as possible. Again, the best protection against COVID-19 is vaccination. If you are eligible for a booster, please make an appointment today, especially if you are at risk due to an age or underlying medical condition. Free summer lunches are now available for all children on Kauai, weekdays at Kapaa Elementary, King Kaumali'i Elementary, and Kekaha Elementary. All children can go. They do not need to be enrolled at the participating school to be served. At Kapaa Elementary, free lunches are now available from July 1st, Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Closed Friday, June 10th for the King Kamehameha Day holiday. King Kaumali'i is open through June 30th, Monday through Friday, 11 to noon, and closed also on June 10th. And at Kekaha Elementary, free lunches being served July 15th, Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m., and they'll be closed on June 10th and July 4th. So if you have any questions, please call the school. The free meals are provided by the U.S. Department of Agriculture through a grant to the State Department of Education. We are also excited to announce that next week, Tropic Care returns to Kauai. From June 13th through June 20th, anyone can get a physical exam, eye exam, dental filling, and extraction at no cost. No ID or insurance is necessary. Tropic Care services will be available daily at LA Elementary School, Kauai Community College, and Kapaa Middle School. A mobile clinic at Kilauea Elementary School will also be available from June 13th to June 15th. And a mobile clinic at Waimea Easter Seals will be available on June 17th, 18th, and 20th. Clinics will be open daily from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. except on June 19th and 20th, as all clinics will close at noon on those 2 days. Additionally, during this 8-day event, the county is offering free bus rides to all on the Kauai bus, including paratransit and fixed route services. We are incredibly grateful to the Kauai District Health Office, the State Department of Defense Innovative Readiness Training Team, the county's Department of Parks and Recreation, and our transportation agency, and everyone involved for bringing this amazing service to Kauai. For more information about this year's Tropic Care event, including a full schedule of all clinics, please visit health.hawaii.gov/Kauai. The Agency on Elderly Affairs is encouraging the public to participate in 2 important surveys that will help assess the needs of our aging population. The first survey, Aging in Hawaii, looks at issues faced by our kupuna and tomorrow's older adults. The second survey looks at issues faced by Hawaii's caregivers. Please take a few minutes to participate, as your help will guide officials in shaping the programs and services offered to Hawaii's older adults, persons with disabilities, and their caregivers. To access the surveys, please visit www.kauaiadrc.org. In observance of King Kamehameha Day, County of Kauai offices and services will be closed on Friday, June 10th, and there will be various closures on Saturday, June 11th. Closures on Friday include all neighborhood centers, the COVID-19 mobile testing site at Kalaheo Neighborhood Center, and the testing center at the Kauai Memorial Convention Hall. On Saturday, closures include all refuse transfer stations, the Kekaha Landfill, Puhi Metals Recycling Center, Reynolds Recycling High Five Redemption Center in Lihue, and the Kapa and Waimea swimming pools. The High Five Redemption Center, operated by Kauai Community Recycling Services in Kilauea, will open during its regular hours from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Friday. The Kauai bus will operate on its normal schedule, and residential trash pickup will occur as normal. Regular business hours for the county offices will resume on Monday, June 13th. Have a great holiday weekend with your ohana. Mahalo, Kauai.